After selecting the 4 points ABCD, the machine will perform a positioning preview again. Then select the corresponding chip for polishing treatment. During this period, we will reposition multiple times to ensure accurate polishing. When polished to the core position, the core automatically falls off. Let's take a look once. Cleaning the core position of the chip is completed.